the throne, like tripping in my zone type shit. I'm in my own light. Always keep some gold ice hitting in my clothes, like Biggie nigga froze with a little bit of smoke. No, never in a rush. Like my cup, I take it slow. Yeah. This that mud, this that drink, this that boom. I must be a heretic, cause I'm getting stoned. 21, but I've been paid, and my wardrobe look like a fashion yin-yang. You want me pristine, never catch a pit stain, or they like the Sistine, they fluorescy Biscayne. Life is not a mystery, I just peep how shit changed, keep it in my memory. Got a lot of grim tales leaking from my stem cells. Yeah. Always leaking from my stem cells. Catching up on folklore, lying on the cold floor. My only regret in life is that I didn't know more.
Spark the dragonfly, smoke it down to a maggot. Inhale the wrong passageway, damn it. Look at the racket, my coffin causing. Dig dog ditch upon death door. Link Billy with a mask in my pocket. It wasn't in plain sight, but I reassured him that I had it. The cautionary measures require the effort that I lack. I have faith in my immunity, my eyes open-ended. See the layers and impurities. Impulse is not new to me, they envision possibility. The pressure pressed into a sentence, buried under the bulk of a paragraph. I couldn't smile for the camera, laugh at the joke, I was geeked off the gas. It would've had to have been funny and it wasn't. I know of a Judas that bites so hard it can stunt double for barracudas in a Google. Cypher complete, token on King Kai with a queen. Conviction resolute like that nigga at Junction. Flipping newspapers and bean pots. Carriers carrying on as usual. Animals cross the streets to switch up into elite. The pressure stir me before the morning chirps. First things first, the ruin has its way with me to not return. People got their backs turned to me, word. I know they turn around, no, that's how I got these stab wounds. I can't stand now, the psychopath weapon, full of beauty, null honor. Like most people, that's the grotesque part. This gorgeous crown sitting atop heads of hideous kings. Should I spit level playing fields? It sounded like Neil singing. It's feeling like Nebula unraveling. It's feeling like infinity expanding. The soloist daily, the pen is riding like ill intent. I can't stand the stench, so we outside coalescing with the wrenching moon. Sun poked on occasion like enter the room like a child. Yo, too moody to be relied on like most people. easily advice affirming what was held in mind. Advancement is a must till we on dust duty. The faith for you truly to guess what? The question gotta be, is it by me or yourself? Yours truly with words to speak, an absolute answer it. Certified certain needs both. I can't say things without utility anymore. An orthodox understanding since day one till my day's done. And after that, Ace keep it A1. I'm pissing on peaks reach, slice through attempts to stymie a G. Dog, no matter what we confirm, perfection in people never is. When I wanna feel the heat, I don't get from people, I resort to water. When I wanna feel the cold, I know people fall, I resort to water. When I wanna feel the heat, I don't get from people, I resort to water. When I wanna feel the cold, I know people fall, I resort to water. I resort to water. Akai, what up, Roper? Yes, sir. Even when I'm off, I'm on your head.
Veered off on a flight from the north, just take me to the east. Take me to the east. We got some tall tales from below, but you know that we all beneath. I love you. I love you so much. Thought I had it figured out. Same shit, different day. Gotta take a different route. Ooh, them back shots, dig her out. Them back shots, dig her out.
Could've lost a piece of me. You have to take it home. Sometimes it's a fucking feed. I'm just trying to hide face. You can see it in the name. You can see it in the name. You can see it in the east. In the east.
On the flight from the north, just take me to the east.
talking Coca-Cola. 32 will break me to shit. Throw a nigga off the roof. Watch him land on that Billy GT, nigga. Make this luxury easy. 50 shot takes, nigga. This all me, running chains on me, nigga.
I'ma start charging y'all per compliment you giving me. See how much purse I can earn off of it. As far as bars, you heard wrong if you heard continent. See incontinence, incontinent turn sponsor. Rockin' the first smock from RC, go from rockin' the beats to curb stomping it. Serve consonants hotter than hot combs and surfing the ground permanent. Germs don't jump off of it. Hot dog with no condiments, flow proper, that shit stopping me, Bogarding.
Niggas be going hard and
Earl be going hard as it lick full shot in the focus, no talkative. Talkative. What the rock was at? Off a couple sake shots, watching pot growing short shorts and some soggy crocs. Shotty lot of black faces, trading body shots for all of the belongings in your pocket. Harley, non-gnarly tops, nolly pop. Excuse a bit of God, need a sheet buzzing like a walkie-talk. Stay and go like the only watch the Lottie rock. Scrawny sock, you really don't wanna play with Papa Swamp.
So unorthodox, chillin' with a shaman, eating ramen in the parking lot. I brought a bag of dreams with me, breathe the kundalini in. Exhale the meaning and the feeling of Elysium. Even the razor leaving me lost, even come boss harder than most. So kill me martyrs at most, my Holy Ghost host a party in a mountain. I brought
yours truly still paying me as well. They can't get past the deep voice conceived in a Rolls Royce. The portion I pro-choice got high for the beanie on bitch, been like a Lena song. Learn to fly high at the first sign that I'm dreaming on. The force strong like this one though. Over 9,000 midi-chlorians say so. Really show no mercy, all master, no mercy. So these little bastards in the journeys of my troubled mind, shattered by your blasphemy. Look at what you find inside, now you can't imagine me running high the atmosphere and die. This is why we had to bring the guns out, rattle neighbors' windows every night until the sun's out. 2 dudes, 2 odd crews with strange leaders, kitty cats, a couple blunts, my nut Wayne feeder. Take out the love and the passion and hope and galaxies, they said I couldn't. I noticed how sad one can get. Cause the ignorant mind is so peaceful, I find I can't understand nothing no more. If I jump, let me. Yeah. If I jump, let me. wonder why I don't answer. Question take 2 stanzas. I guess progression is the new standard. My own possessions that I hold for ransom. Back then when mama wasn't mine, she was a dancer. Caged in on my father flaws and sitting handsome. On a nigga I still fidget when I'm feeling ramped up. I was just a bambino with Santi and Milano. Leading do you follow? Bleeding till I'm hollow. The pyramid made of limestone, my brother off the bottle. Took it to a grave place, my feelings getting coddled. Bodies on the block and mama screaming when they shot her. You could use a couple wishes, took some time to make your mind up. In it till my time done, try to redefine son. I was out in Nashville, remembering the Titans. I wonder how my dad feel, knowing I'm just like him with a little more perspective. The both of us are psychic. I wrote this little verse up and I'm hoping that you like it. Hoping you recite it and you shout it at the moonlight. The tale of my hiding, don't tell where my hiding place at. I'll provide it, you can feel it. Sliding on the track, I'm Jesse Owens, how I'm flying. Across the sand, they say the little man is striving. Aunt Jerry's chicken in the pan frying. All of you, the memories, just gotta find them. Dark clouds, just trying to see a gold lining. It wasn't long that the sun wasn't shining. 98 when Randy Moss was with the Vikings. 97 I was born, now I am flying. Now I am flying. Now I'm flying. Jesse Owens on the track, how I am flying across the sand. They say the little man is driving. Aunt Jerry's chicken in the pan frying. It's all in you, the memories, just gotta find them. Them dark clouds, just trying to see a gold lining. It wasn't long that the sun wasn't shining. 98 when Randy Moss was with the Vikings. 97 I was born, now I am flying. Now I am flying. Now I am flying.
Out the mud, I couldn't fit OJ's glove to show up earth before the flood. Tasting my own blood. The ark was a DNA bank of fauna, a circular craft floating atop the water. Heaven's horn bellowed, Wayne shorter. No, it didn't bear a single daughter. All the borders were liquid, world passport at the mouth of the river, bathing in whole milk, linen and silk, mouth full of salt and silt washing over. Dying sons of 1,000 Octobers. Closer, the fatherland that at the highest peak, Dead Sea cliff divers saluting east. Don't let the rocks cry out first, on guard. Teeth and tongue on mountain face, lips and everything, talking about showing love. It's funny how significance make a difference. Notice parables of 3 and every other inference. It's funny how significance make a difference. Notice parables of 3 and every other inference. It's funny how significance make a difference. Notice parables of 3 and every other inference. At the wake, awake in a dream. The motorcade curved like a snake through the streets. Black men in black suits, heavy heat, white handkerchief. The podium thick with lies and deeds. You was sick in your seat. Jackals was ready to eat. The hole was very neat. The second, a wound in the earth, raw dirt heat. The simple hut, elders offered snuff, fresh slaughtered meat. Most stiff to those gourds and sour beer hit. Tears streaming, begging the curse to live. I was a kid, I was a young man when they buried him again on the ancestral land that wasn't even his. So for you, I promise no hollow words. Swallow my huge birds wheel in the sky. The sea spray sting burning my eyes. I won't let them bury you once. It's funny how significance make a difference. Notice parables of 3 and every other inference. have significance, make a difference. Notice parables are 3 and every other inference.
Y'all purple hearts giving out for the skill service. We temper out the cowardice with the cool minds, the full heated. Missteps and mores got me frigid hearted. Live it over how we living. You saying that we deserve better, but look at what we doing for ourselves. Owlets out to get you once you can't get them in. Destitute of peace, a lot advanced with the plan to unfasten the seatbelt, seal upon the pack, pearl of grasping. While you out getting bent, crooked L, straighten in my aim. Ease my cerebral, whether I'm riled up or still see solo, still lethal. Radiating something different, as if I took a deep sea soaking plasma. Niggas love sleeping so much, they abandon their abode in pajamas. My fit resembles my resilience. Piranhas can't bite through my car heart. Heart imbued matters more to me than a chart spot. A pot to piss in, or some of it to scroll up. Arrive at bad decisions. Schisms is incited by a sunken system. Niggas claim not to see it, but your vibe can't veil what you feeling. Nigga, your expression dropped when the ball did. Oh God, yo, funny how significance will make a difference. Knows parables of 3 and every other inference. Funny how significance will make a difference.
Disobedient villain you hate to love. Mischievous, mysterious, miscellaneous. Used to make love to complex simplicity all the time. Now she my star and I'm her sky, and I ain't afraid to die. I don't give a fuck. I'm young. 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 Solo, indecisive, enlightening, frightening idol with the light sensitive eye of the tiger fire flame. Died line times 5 by the way, skydiving tidal waves, writing rhymes and oxygen, scribing silent silently that inspire men and writing in environments that I have not been in. Obviously opting not to sing songs in sobriety, subsiding the poison, imploding our society. Functioning addict with clammy hands, leaving my paraphernalia everywhere. Told Lori I never do coke again, but she did what she did and I'm here again. I ain't pointing no fingers, I'm still a man. No, I'm more than that, you would know if you scroll through my older tracks. I'm just a Romeo, morning is Juliet, Hodgy then complete without new weed. And do me a favor and save all that Satanist shit. You pagans gon' pay for this shit. I studied theology, ancient philosophy, astronomy, astrology, the current state of the economy. Washington DC, fossils of dinosaurs, the origin of our species, my atomic goal, flowers grown in feces, Christ-conscious Python mocking Jesus. The chicken came before the eggs, the thesis. I bet she's an evil genius, disobedient villain you hate to love. Mischievous, mysterious, miscellaneous. All myths to make love to complex simplicity all the time. Now she my star and I'm her sky, and I ain't afraid to die. I don't give a fuck.